So in a previous video, I showed how you can generate a lens distortion corrected camera position match in PC Crash 15.1. And now let's say that we want to take this matched image and map these points to the road surface. So we could do this by selecting part of the point cloud and remapping, but sometimes point clouds aren't great for finding some of these fine details. So what I'm going to do is make a drawing layer here called this P2 grid. So this was photo 2, and this is something you can actually do in previous versions, but it's just kind of a neat thing to see. So let's just do a fairly wide-ranging grid. I've already got a road surface, so I'm just going to do a little rectangle, because rectangles can have textures mapped to them. So I'm going to make this a relative 1 meter by 1 meter rectangle, and then I want to cover this whole area from here to there maybe with these rectangles. So maybe 34 rectangles by 6. So there's a feature where you can create rectangular or polar arrays. So I've got my little rectangle picked, so I'm going to do 6 rows vertical, and I said 34, I think. I'll do 36 columns, and you can do the spacing between them. I'll just do one, so I do a complete grid because these are 1 by 1. So now if I turn off that scan, you can see I've got this whole grid of rectangles, and now if I pick those, I'm going to move them to the 3D road objects, so that will make them pop up onto the road surface. So if we take a look at our image here, you can see there's a few holes in my road, which is why these guys have dropped down there, but that can be fixed. So if I show that background image again, so it's going to map these points to the road, these rectangles. So this project 3D background image is texture. I select that, and then I pick my grid. And then there you can see my marks mapped as textures. Looks like I could have gone a little bit wider here. There you go. That's a nice way to get some of this evidence in more of a photo image than as a point cloud.